How you doing? I'm Louis Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another project of ours in the South Bay. And at this project, we're creating something that we've been doing a lot of lately, and we call them food forests. Well, what is a food forest? To put it simply, it's a backyard that is gonna give you tons of edible fruit. So in this particular space, it's approximately 30 by maybe 40 square feet, or 30 by 40, which would put us at about 1,200 square feet, maybe a little bit more. At this project, we have over 30 fruit trees. We have 5 3 by 12 veggie boxes. That is over 150 square feet of plantable space there. We're just gonna do a quick walkthrough, and you kind of wonder, well, how do you cram, or how do you fit 30 fruit trees in an area this size? Well, the answer to that is by being very specific with your choices of fruit trees and edible fruits. For example, if you notice to my left here, we have some apple trees, and they're not the typical standard apple tree. These are espaliered apple trees. We have a really good source that will provide us with different varieties of fruit trees that are espaliered. So espaliered means basically they're growing across a wall, so kind of horizontally across the wall, not so much vertical and the standard bush form. So these particular apple trees, these are Dorset apples. We have the Anna apples further down here. We know with cross-pollination, if you were just to plant a simple or a single apple tree, it would produce fruit. Yeah, you know, it would, but it wouldn't be as prolific as if you plant the companion to it, which would allow for the cross-pollination. Anyway, so we'll keep moving on our tour. We have some Dorset apples here. We have a passion vine. There's gonna be a pergola here. So the passion fruit, phenomenal taste to it, high in antioxidants as well. It's gonna canvas that entire pergola. As we keep walking here, we have a mulberry tree. I'm just gonna be kind of quick about it. I don't want to take up too much time here. We have an espaliered citrus, espaliered fig tree. Further along here, now we have some Anna apples to companion with the Dorset apples that we talked about before. Again, these are special order items. They take 5 times as long to grow at the nursery. But again, in order to achieve the desired effect, which is to have a fruit tree on a very small footprint, espaliered is a way to go. As we continue our walk along here, we have more citrus. I believe it's a bear's lime. We have a Eureka lemon here. These are all dwarfs or semi-dwarfs. I mean, they'll get about 6 feet tall, but yet they'll have a full-size head of fruit on them as well. We have a plum tree. We have an Arbutus marina here. This particular guy, strawberry tree, it's known for that red, brown, twisted cinnamon trunk structure on it as well. So that's part of the fun. That guy's gonna grow. Then at my feet here, we have a water source. So a place for the birds, the butterflies, the bees to come and take a drink there. Very tranquil, simple fountain. We use the Owasa pump in there. That German engineering lasts you forever. It also includes autofill in there. So it's always gonna be naturally topping off, no chemicals in there. So it's friendly for all the birds, butterflies, and bees, and so on. We have a yellow peach over here as well. Guava. We have the neighbor's loquat coming over here. Always nice neighbor plant something for you. Pomegranate. Some more apples on this side. Peach trees. A couple more citrus on the way out there. And then towards the end, we have some Hass avocados. It's a lamb Hass variety, so it gets about 10, 12 feet tall, but will give you a full-size avocado. A lot of times we think of avocado trees, huge 30-foot canopy tree, 30-foot high as well as diameter. Those are Hass avocados, the lamb Hass. They stay fairly small, and they provide you with a full-size avocado. We have a chirimoya tree in the back over there, a banana tree as well. So in the end, what you're looking at is you see the dirt in between all these veggie boxes. That is gonna get filled in with Carapia. It's a very low water usage ground cover. That's gonna be installed tomorrow. So this is gonna be a very user-friendly garden for the homeowners here. They're looking forward to doing all their own organic veggies and tomatoes and herbs and all that good stuff. It is a food forest created here for the homeowner to enjoy. Just another project with Enviroscape LA. When you think food forest and sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.